Hi, I'm Kyle Jorgensen with Revolution Machine Tool. Today I'm going to introduce you to another one of our machines. This is our C-FAB 12M14NC. This is a 12-foot shear, 14 gauge mild steel. The NC that's on here is because of the control that's on here that's programmable. I can shear, back gauge move, cut, I can program it. This is a mechanical shear, so it's high speed. I've got the sheet support on, I'm gonna turn it off. So, it's a full 12-foot stroke. That's single cutting. I can also set it for a continuous cut. I've got small little parts that I'm cutting. I've got rapid blade gap adjustment, so the bed of this machine I can move in and out depending on the type of material I am cutting, thickness, stainless, brass, whatever I'm cutting. I can rapidly set the blade gap. I've got a squaring arm with an inch and metric scale built into the machine. I've also got some flip stops that go with the machine. I'm going to go into the control. This is our NC control on our C-FAB shears. Now, I'm just in single cut, but if I wanted to go to say 18 inches, that sets our backstop. Now I can go single cut, or I can continuous cut. It just sits in strokes as I hold the foot pedal. I can turn my sheet off or on, depending on if I want to use it. Go to reference is the back position for homing. Stationary cuts. Now here I can set a batch or a menu, up to 30 different cuts and multiple strokes on each one. I hope you can see this in the video, but like right now somebody's got set 7 inches, and then they're going to do that one time, and then they're going to go to 8 inches, do that twice, and go to 5 inches one time, and then it'll go back to the first position. So if I was here and set that, it would go to the cutting menu or the NC menu. I got certain product that I'm trying to blank out of a sheet or something. Settings. I can go from inch to millimeter, just a matter of clicking. Relays and stuff, but manual position, I can run the shear up or down. Like right now I can cycle the shear manually, cycle the shear up manually. I can bring the sheet support up or down manually. Alarm menu, the only alarms you got are walking around the back and hitting the light barrier. There's a light barrier on the back, but then you just reset it. It's easy. But down here we've got steps and count. This would be in our cutting menu or cutting set where we're at in the program. And this would be how many strokes we've made or cuts we've made on the machine. We just reset it if we started over. But very simple but very user-friendly control.